Next thing on our list is this guy here. Just bought 2 of these CentroFix Slims. All right, next guy is right here. Wiha CentroFix Slim. I like the CentroFix. Saw the CentroFix Slims on Amazon, shipped and sold by Amazon Germany with a huge discount. Bought 2 of them. I want to say they had 2 in stock when I ordered. I think they only have 1 left. If you do want them, I wouldn't say buy them though. Reason being, and here's how many DeWalt bits I have. I have like DeWalt Phillips 2s everywhere. At one point I bought like an extension kit, and they're like, ah, yes, with kind of like this, with your free extension, or with your extension, you get like a free, not just 4 bits or something, you get a 25 pack of Phillips 2. I'm still working through the 25 pack of Phillips 2. Okay, goes in without having to open the collar, watch. Boom. Right? CentroFix Slim. However, we proved this before. It is not very CentroFix. Quite wobbly. Very slim. Not very Centro. That was when one of you commented, hey, those are sold in the US under the SlimFix brand, and they're $10 at Lowe's. So that was one of the first things that started this Lowe's trip. Or one of the many things, I should say, that started this Lowe's trip. Oh, I said I was going to use the Cobalt one. Oh, well. All right, let's take a look at what this says. Where is it made? Wiha, Verksenberg, GmbH, Wiha.com. Does not say where it's made. This one says made in Vietnam. Designed by Wiha Germany, made in Vietnam. $10. $20 on sale, like a significant sale. Yeah, it looks pretty similar. There might be a slightly different color on the collar here and the collar there. Like this one, to my eye, is looking a little bit more purple blue. The etching on this one is a little bit more rough. I mean, that could just be batch to batch changes though. A little clipping mechanism in there. Let's get a little flashlight. Get one little stream pen light. I don't like that much. I like the standard one better, but it is good for little stuff like this. That looks very similar. The installation of the magnet on the German one does look a little bit better. There's a chip out of my magnet on the American made in Vietnam one already. By the way, that my hands just do that from time to time, guys. I'm a clumsy motherfucker. Otherwise, these look identical. So I wouldn't bother. I mean, if you want the German one, go for it. There's only one left on Amazon anyway. But yep, it even pushes it out. Still wobbly as hell. Not worth the CentroFix name. It does lock these sort of impact bits like this, right? it does lock these a lot better. So I think these are really more meant for insert bits, which is why I'm interested in the DeWalt version right here. Yeah, you can see this one's already beat up. Like, look right there. You know, whereas this guy, a little bit, I guess. But save your money. Get the I think the finish, and I don't know if this is like batch to batch stuff, right? The finish on the front of this one is better. This has sort of that like bevel. See that? Whereas this is like directly to the edge and then over. Oh, you can see that. So there is definitely some difference. Is that worth $10? And I can't guarantee where this is made because it just says Wiha versions GmbH. It doesn't say where it's made. Oh, and they do intend CentroFix Slim insert bit. So they kind of tell you it's for insert bits. Impact rated 600 pounds, 1/4 inch, 2.6 inches. So it's a little bit longer than your 2-inch bit, but it's not as long as your standard 3-inch bit for the US, which is why it looks a little bit different than, say, the guts of this. This mechanism, though, bang on lines up if you look at that, right? But the butt is longer here, probably to make 3 inches. Or it's 3 inches with that on, right? But yeah, they basically just made this part longer for the standard US size. Probably could. I still don't get where they're getting that size because apparently that's 66.5 millimeters. That the length of the CentroFix or the SlimFix, CentroFix Slim or the SlimFix really seems to not make sense. But yeah, I would say save the money. This is made nicer. It's twice as much. This is available at Lowe's. You can walk in and get it if you want this sort of thing, which you might. If you're regularly switching this, or you want a bit holder that's only slightly wider than your bits, this might be the one for you, right? It's good quality, nice and quick. I showed how that old DeWalt had the same mechanism in there. Like, it looks like it's potentially made by Wiha for them. So I got to figure out where I'm going to put all these, because I ordered 2 of these thinking they were something special, and it turns out no, maybe not so much. Pop that off of the side there.